Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wave apps, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove a customer from your Wave apps? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to delete or remove a customer from your Wave apps anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that Wave apps can automatically send out invoice reminders, but sometimes your customers write back with a nasty message, so maybe it's better just to delete them. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wave apps account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wave apps account, and this is the dashboard. Now, in order to delete or remove a customer, you're going to click here on sales and payments here on the left side. Once you do that, it's going to drop down and you want to click on customers. Once you click on customers, you're going to see a list of all your customers in Wave app. So simply just scroll through until you find the customer you would like to delete from your Wave apps. If you have a huge list of customers, you can use the search feature and search by name. Once you found that customer, here on the right, you're going to see this little downward arrow. Once you click on that, you're going to see a drop-down menu and you want to click on delete. Once you do that, you're going to see this pop-up asking for you to confirm that you would like to delete this customer from your Wave apps account. If so, click on this red delete button. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. You'll see this pop-up, customer successfully delete, down here at the bottom. So now that customer no longer appears in my Wave apps and they won't receive any kind of email updates about their past due invoices. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove a customer in your Wave apps, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.